Okay, so this customer's driven over from Romania. He's come to have a 750 litre window cleaning system that's set up for 2 operators. It's got a 4-stage reverse osmosis system on there with our automated flush and fill system. Got an inline TDS, 2 electric reels, both with safety speed controllers. Opted for underfloor hose guides, so he can actually work with his van doors closed. Got external port plates so we can fill the van. We can also fill the auxiliary tank. The reason that this van's got an auxiliary tank is the customer wanted the option to do soft washing and also pressure washing. So we've supplied him with an Evolution pressure washer, also an 18-inch whirl-away surface cleaner. You can feed that pressure washer from this auxiliary tank. You can also do soft washing as well. So we've got a soft washing mixing station here that allows the customer to have two different sorts of chemicals in these 25 litre barrels. You can feed it from this this auxiliary tank here, which is just designed for tap water, whereas the orange tank is purely dedicated for pure water. And then he can actually mix the ratios of the chemicals that he's using by opening up this this door and basically adjusting the ratio between the water, chemical 1 or chemical 2. Another accessory that we've fitted on this van is a remote control, so we can turn the pump on and off. You can turn the pump up or down, or we can have it on a wash or a rinse mode. We've also got the optional remote control on the electric reels. This allows the customer to adjust the speed of the reel. So this reel's got a soft start, an electronic brake, an anti-snag feature, and also the ability to have an electronic brake, so as you're pulling your hose off, once you stop, it's not going to overspool the reel. Another option that we fitted was a fast fill trigger. So this allows the customer to essentially fill up a trolley from the main water tank. It's a gravity fed system. We're all good.
All good?
We're all good. Let me hand it over to you now.
Thank you, Andy.
Thank you very much for travelling over and bringing your van to us.